bustling heart of Kuala Lumpur, the Bonia team gathers, their minds set on securing the future of their brand.
Today, we are gathered to finalize the mark that we'll be using for our brand. After that, we'll need to go to the registrar office to trademark ownership via registration to ensure that no one else can use it.
With their plans in place, the team heads to the Registrar of Trademark's office ready to register the mark as their trademark. Meeting with the registrar, they present their mark, confident in their brand's value and distinctiveness. The mark that Bonia sought to register is specifically described as a two-letter trademark represented by the letter CR.
I am so sorry, but after thorough discussion, we will have to reject your trademark application due to your logo lacking distinctiveness from other brands.
But confidence turns to shock as the application is rejected. It is because it did not have any of the particulars required by Section 10 of the Trademarks Act. Frustration sets in as they grapple with the unexpected setback.
Okay, teams, let's contact our lawyer.
Determined to fight, they turn to their legal team, considering the path of legal action.
Based on the situation and evidence, I do recommend taking legal action. Our legal team is ready to handle this case and ensure that your interests are fully protected.
The courtroom becomes the next battleground, but the High Court upholds the registrar's decision, citing a lack of distinctiveness.
We are gathered here today to hear the case of Bonia International Holdings Private Limited, the Registrar of Trademarks Malaysia 2023, Malayan Law Journal Unreported 834. Before we begin, I want to remind everyone of the importance of maintaining proper decorum in the courtroom. All electronic devices should be turned off or set to silent. No disruption will be tolerated. If you need to leave the courtroom, please do so quietly.
Both sides present their arguments with vigor, each pause highlighting the critical aspects of this complex legal battle.
Your Honour, I would like to raise 3 grounds for contending that the registrar had erred in law in rejecting Bonia's application. Firstly, the CR mark does have a reasonable degree of inherent distinctiveness and it is capable of distinguishing the plaintiff's goods from the other traders. Other than that, the mark also has factual distinctiveness from the long and extensive usage. And lastly, the registrar had also failed to sufficiently consider that the plaintiff's application to register the mark had already been accepted in Singapore.
Objection, Your Honour. The registrar determined that the mark CR lacked inherent distinctiveness to serve as a trademark for Bonia's good in Class 14. For a mark to be registerable, it must inherently distinguish one trader's good from another. In this case, the two-letter combination CR was not unique enough for this purpose. Furthermore, other traders might legitimately want to use CR for their goods. Therefore, the registrar rejected Bonia's application, concluding that CR did not meet the distinctiveness requirement under the Trademark Act.
Upon careful examination based on the evidence presented, the court finds that the plaintiff trademark CR possesses the requisite distinctiveness and does not infringe upon any existing trademarks. I therefore find that the registrar did not err in law in rejecting the plaintiff applications. The Registrar of Trademarks Malaysia shall approve the registrations of the trademark CR in favour of Bonia International Holdings. I therefore dismiss the originating summons with cost of 8,000 subject to the allocator to be paid by the plaintiff to the defendants. The court is now adjourned.
In the end, a neutral decision is rendered, leaving both sides to reconsider their positions. This case underscores the importance of distinctiveness in trademark law and the challenges faced by brands in protecting their identity. For Bonia, it's a lesson in perseverance and the complexities of legal battles in the world of commerce.